everyone, Joey here, and Merry Christmas. Today we have a fun video for you. It is a Cape May Christmas 2021. That's right, every single year we go around Cape May and we take videos and pictures of everything decorated. And this year it's unbelievable. I haven't seen this many Christmas trees or decorations in a long time, right, Jules? It's like the most I've ever seen. And so today, this is going to be a long video. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. We're going to start off here at Congress Hall. Let's get started. Congress Hall is doing things a little bit different this year. Well, they have the traditional tree out back, and you can tell it is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. It looks like it's at least, I don't even know, I want to guess and maybe say 60 feet tall. I know, it looks great. Now, one thing I love is their igloos, which you guys can book. We did an article about it not too long ago. It's right over here. Check out these igloos. How magical, right? You can rent these out and have dinner or lunch here. You get drinks here. They're reservations, so you have to book it in advance. And I'll tell you right now, a lot of these are pretty much booked up for the most of the year. And remember that after the new year, Congress Hall goes to that time period where they kind of close to do a lot of refurbishments around the building. Anyway, you can take your photo outside here. Now, for those asking about the Christmas Village, I don't see one for this year. Normally they have an entire village and they have a train going around. I don't see anything this year, not even a fire pit. But hey, you gotta change things from time to time. But right now we're gonna head inside, which is something we didn't do last year because of COVID. We're gonna head through the main entrance over here. And of course they have, look at all of these ornaments and they're sparkling. It is so beautiful, right? And there is Santa mail, so you can drop off your letter. But let's head inside. You can see inside Congress Hall the garland. They have many different trees, but certain sections are closed off for guests only. But it is beautiful. Here is one of the main attractions, the giant candy canes. And they got nutcrackers. No gingerbread house this year, though, I noticed. But if you come here, you're gonna take a picture down this hallway. Now we're outside Congress Hall. We're making our way to the Washington Street Mall down here to check out the decorations. Well, it's past 6 o'clock, so not too much is actually open on the mall, but hey, the windows are lit up, and so I want to share them with you guys. Now, they always do a great job decorating their windows here, but just around Christmas time, it's just more magical. And so we're going to start here and make our way down. We get a pink Christmas tree for Victoria's. Here's a new cheese shop, and let me tell you, stuff's good in there. Look at some of the stuff in the window. Gonna move over to Swede Things because I love their ornaments, and they have the best glass glass ornaments, but also figurines. So we'll take a look at them. Look at them. Look at those figurines. Aren't they adorable? Julia is checking out. Is that a sock tree?
Correct.
A tree full of socks. And so many different ones too. Look at that. Look at these. Wait. Look at these little sets. These are adorable. Oh my gosh. Look at these things. Well, guys, if anyone's looking for a gift for me, no, I'm just joking.
I need those lessons one more episode. Because that's what I say every time.
Oh my gosh, these all look amazing. Now, the city has decorated all of the little sections all the way down. This year they have these small little trees in the corner with ornaments. Looks great. And of course, the trees are lit up. Over here at Whale's Tail, they always do a great display, no matter what time of year it is. decorate it for every season. It's so awesome. Here is bath time, all decorated. Not for bath time though, for winter time. Oh, you don't like my jokes? That's so mean. You're married to me. You have to like my jokes. And I got very lucky that Cash and Clive is closed. Very lucky today. And check out the garland here and the lights. Looks great. Is this just a big thing of mistletoe? I don't know. It might be. They're all decorated. Looks great. It really is a Hallmark movie here.
Don't give them ideas.
Don't give them ideas. We don't want them to come here and make it world known.
Yes, we don't want
Our little secret place that the world knows about already. The fudge kitchen is decorated. And they're taking Christmas mail orders.
It's only 6:30.
Look at that. That looks good enough to eat, huh? What do you guys think? Akamiya has their window all decorated. Looks great. Even the beef jerky outlet place is in the spirit. And instead of just hanging ornaments, they're hanging beef jerky. I love it. Good job, Santa. We're outside Our Lady Star of the Sea to check out the nativity scene. Looks great as usual. Let's continue to the Victorian homes down that way. Guys, as we're walking to the Victorian houses, we notice this is a crab. Yeah. You see? He's got claws and a candy cane and a hat. This is outside Winterwood, which unfortunately is closed at the moment. But here we go. That's a shell and that's a starfish. All right. I love that. All right, let's continue. Now we're outside Queen Victoria before we make a left to go check out the Victorian houses, like the full row of houses decorated. But I love how great they do this so perfect every single year. It's not every day you see a Victorian house decorated. Let's go ahead and make a left down Columbia. You can see a horse over here going. Let's do this. And here we go, everyone. This is always the best decorations for Victorian houses right here in Cape May on Columbia Avenue. You know, they used to do the walking tours. I don't know if they're doing it this year. They didn't do it last year because of COVID. But here's where you'll find the most decorations on Victorian houses. And it's hard to see, but inside they all have massive trees. Now check out the Mason Cottage. By the way, they're celebrating 150 years. Could you imagine? Whew. Well, they do a great job every year upkeeping this house. It's hard to see, but they have such a beautiful tree inside. They have 2 trees each room. Wow. And now we're coming up to my favorite house here in Cape May. This is the Mainstay Inn. And they always do such a great job with their decorations. Just take a look. I mean, look at this shot. If that doesn't scream Hallmark, I don't know what does. We're making our way back to the Washington Street Mall so we can go to Rotary Park, because you know they light everything in there. Let's go! And now we're heading over to Rotary Park because the Christmas tree A and B, the lights are amazing. I mean, it looks like they have 2 Christmas trees this year. One over there and one over here, though this one's the main one. I mean, they decorate every single tree, bush, shrub, you name it. It is all decorated. They do such a great job, right? So there's a main tree under there, but this tree looks beautiful. I want to share it with you guys. It almost looks like they put this here to be the Christmas tree. Now they had Santa over here last night. There's a chair over there, so maybe he'll be back next weekend. But let's go to the main tree. And here is the main tree. Look how beautiful, so sparkly. They did such a great job. one last turn here in Rotary Park. You get it, Rotary Park, one last turn. I know my jokes are bad. And so there you guys go. That's a Cape May Christmas 2021 tour for you guys. Let me know, what was your favorite part? Did you like the tree at Congress Hall better or in Rotary Park? Let me know in the comment section anyway. I thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to go because I'm getting really cold out here. But I'm Joey, and as always, I'll see you on the beach. See you later. Bye.